Hello student, chapter 12 exponents and powers. In that today we solve exercise 12.2. In that first question, look that one. Express the following numbers in standard form. Okay. Now we know that how to convert in a standard form. Okay. Here I already copied the questions. Okay. Now we know that when you want to convert in a standard form, if you move to the positive side means right side, okay, the power will be negative, okay, and if you move to the negative side means left side, power will be positive. Okay, so look here, 0.0000000000085. okay, in a standard form we should write only one digit in a integer part. Okay, so here 85 is there, so answer is 8.5. we need only one digit, okay, as a integer part, and rest of all in a decimal part, into 10 raised to, and write down the power of 10. Okay, now we move to the right side, so our answer is negative, means our power is negative. Okay, minus, and how many steps we move here, our point will be will become, okay, so how many digits are there between them? 3, 36, 39, 10, 11 and 12, so that is 12. Okay, if you have any doubt to convert that one, what to do? Write down in a fraction form 85 and here 1. Okay, then 3, 36, 39, 12 and 13 digits are there. Okay, now 8.5 means only one digit. Here our digit is there, decimal is there. You just want to move only one step, means 1 0 cut. That is 8.5. Okay, and this one is 8.5 divided by 10 raised to 12. 12 zeros are there, so 10 raised to 12. Okay, and if you move 10 raised to 12 to the numerator side, what happen? The power will change in a minus number. Okay, same for this one, 9.42 into 10 raised to, again we move to the right side, so our answer is means our power is minus, and that is 3, 36, 39, 10, 11 and 12. Same here, minus 12. Okay, now look this one, that is 6.02. you know that. Okay, only one digit at integer side. Okay, and 10 raised to, now here no decimal is there, means decimal point is here and we need here. Okay, so total how many digit between that 2 points? Just count that one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so 15, and we move from here to left side, means our answer is plus. Okay, so 6.02 into 10 raised to plus 15, otherwise 15. Same here, 8.37, you know that how it's come. Okay, and 10 raised to right side means our answer is, our power is minus, and how many steps? 3 and 3 6, 7 8 and 9. Okay, so minus 9. Same, 3.186, here our decimal, and we move to the left side up to here, so 3 and 3 6, 3 9 and 1 10 into 10 raised to 10. Okay, now question number 2, read that question. Look, express the following numbers in usual form. Usual form means a form which we use, this type of form, that is usual form. Okay, so let me solve. Okay, look, I already copied it, questions expressed in usual form. So here the standard form is given, so how to convert that one? First, the standard number, this one, convert into fraction form. 3.02 means 302 divided by 100, because after decimal 2 digits are there, so divided by 100, into 10 raised to minus 6 means 1 upon 10 raised to 6. If you write down this type of number, that become a plus. Minus power is there, it's become in a plus. Okay, so that is 302 divided by 100 into 1 upon 1 and 6 zeros are there. Okay, so total how many zeros are there? 3 and 3 6 and 2 8, means put decimal after 8 terms. Okay, so 20, so answer is, look, 203. Okay, 3 digits are there, then 4 5 6 7 8.0. Okay, so answer is 0.000000302. Clear? Same here, second number, look, 4.5 means 45 upon 10 into 10 is to 4, means after 1 we just write down 4 zeros. Okay, don't count this one. Okay, number of zeros come, okay, as well as the number power. Okay, 4 number is there, means 4 zeros comes, 1 0 1 0 cut. So 45 into 1000, our answer is 45,000. Right? Look here, 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 means 1 upon 10 raised to 8. Minus power is there, na? So we write down reciprocal of that one. So it's become a plus. So 3 upon 10 raised to 8 means 1 and 8 zeros are there. Okay. So 3 upon here 8 zeros are there. So put decimal after 8 digit, means one digit is 3 and another are zeros. So 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 point here. This one is usual form. Okay, same here, look, 1.0001 means 10001 divided by 1 and after decimal 4 digit means 4 zeros come, into 10 raised to 9 means 1 and 9 zeros. 10 raised to 9 is there, na? Means 90. Okay, now 40 and here 40 come. So 10001 into this one. So what happened? 10001 and 5 zeros will come. Okay, that is the standard form. Look here, 5.8, that is 58 upon 10 into 10 raised to 12 means 12 zeros. Okay, 1 0 is cut. So 58 ones are 58 and another 3 3 6 3 9 and 11 zeros. Okay, that is the answer. Same here, look, 361492 divided by 1 and after decimal 5 digit means 5 zeros, into 10 raised to 6 means 6 zeros. So 1 and 6 0, 5 0 5 0 cut. So 316492 into 10. Into 10 means 1 0 comes at end. Here, that's the answer. Okay, now question number 3. Look, express the number appear in the following statement in standard form. Okay, means here the numbers are given, you just convert that numbers into standard form. Okay, just you have to copy the questions and then write down the standard form. Here I just write down standard form of that numbers only. Okay, let me start. No. First is 1 micron is equal to, okay, 1 upon 1 lakh meter. So first question, what is given? 1 micron equal to 1 upon 1 and 6 zeros are there, meter. Okay, that means 1 upon 10 and how many zeros are there? 6, means 10 is to 6 meter. Okay, so 10 is to 6 we take at numerator side. So what happened? The power, charge of power should be changed. Okay, so 1 into 10 raised to here plus 6 there, here it's come with minus sign. Okay, minus 6. So 1 into 10 raised to minus 0.6 meter. 1 micron equal to this one. Okay. Number 2. Charge of electron is 0.0000016 coulomb. Okay. Now, so charge of electron, you just write down that one. Okay. 0 point, then 18 zeros are there. Count that one. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 6 coulomb. Okay, that means we move. Okay, standard form is 1.6. Okay, 1.6, only one digit at in integer part. So 1.6 into 10 raised to, now we move up to 1. So how many digits are there? 18 and 1, 19. So minus 19. Okay, coulomb. Our power should be minus because we move to the right side. Okay. Third one is written question. Size of bacteria is 0 point, then 0.0000005 meter. Okay. So size of bacteria equal to 0.0000005 meter. Okay. So standard form of that one is 5.0. Otherwise, you just write down 5. 5 into 10 raised to. We move to the right side, means minus answer. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Minus 7 meter. Okay. Fourth one is size of plant cell is size of plant cell equal to 0.0001275 meter equal to, okay, only one digit means here 1.275 into 10 raised to, we move to the right side, means negative number 1 2 3 4 5, 5 steps, means at power side minus 5 will come. Okay, meter. That's your answer. Now number 5, look, thickness of thick paper is, okay, so thickness of paper equal to, that is 0.07 millimeter. Okay, so 0.07 means 7 into 10 raised to, only 2 step, means minus 2 to the right side, means minus answer, millimeter. That's your answer. Okay, and question number 4, last one. Let me read that one. Look, in a stock here there are 5 books each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheet each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of stock? Okay, and standard you just find out in answer you just find out in standard form. Okay, so first we write down what is given. Here what is given? Look, 4 number. Here 5 books are there. 5 books. Okay, and thickness of each 20 mm. Okay, and 5 papers. Thickness of each, you just write down in a word, do not tick mark like that. That is 0.016 mm. Okay, now first we find out total thickness of 5 books. Okay, so thickness of 5 books means total thickness of 5 books equal to, okay, thickness of one book is 20 mm and total 5 books are there. So 20 into 5 means 100 mm. Okay, same thickness of 5 paper equal to, thickness of one paper is 0.016 into 5. Okay, 6 5s are 80, so 0.080. You just write down 0.0080, otherwise 0.08, it's same. Okay, because our zeros which are after any number, they are having no value if they were after decimal, so 0.08. So total thickness equal to thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper, that is 100 plus 0.08, and addition of that 2 equal to 100.08. okay. Now standard form of this one is, look, 100.08 means 108 divided by 100 will come. Okay, write down like that. Otherwise what to do, directly write down 1.0008 into 10 raised to. We move from here to here, means 2 steps to the left side. So our answer should be plus. Left side means plus 10 raised to 2. Okay, millimeter. That's your answer. Clear? So here our exercise 12.2 is complete. Same chapter 12 is completed. You just complete that exercise in your notebook. Okay, thank you.